Join me as I try to create the ultimate waiting room experience for Apple Arcade that you've always dreamed of. Imagine a place where you can hang out with fellow gamers, get excited about upcoming games, and even level up your skills before jumping into action. That's what a waiting room for Apple Arcade should be all about. It's an essential part of the gaming experience that has the potential to bring gamers together, create a sense of community, and elevate the overall appeal of Apple Arcade. We've all been there, stuck in a bland, uninspiring waiting room, staring at a blank screen, waiting for our friends to join or for the game to load. It's a breeding ground for frustration, boredom, and disengagement. Current waiting rooms in gaming often lack excitement, interaction, and a sense of purpose. They're just a necessary evil, a pause in the action before the real fun begins. But it doesn't have to be this way. Most waiting rooms are just a blank slate, devoid of any real engagement or entertainment value. They're a wasted opportunity to build hype, create a sense of anticipation, or even educate players about the game they're about to play. And let's be honest, who hasn't experienced the frustration of being forced to stare at a static screen, watching the same looping animation over and over again? The problem is that waiting rooms often feel like an afterthought, a necessary evil rather than an integral part of the gaming experience. But what if we could flip that script? What if waiting rooms became the highlight of our gaming session, a place where we could connect with others, learn new strategies, or even get exclusive rewards? Imagine a waiting room where you could interact with other players in real time, sharing tips and strategies, or even competing in minigames to earn rewards. What if you could get early access to game previews, exclusive content, or behind-the-scenes developer insights? What if the waiting room became a hub of community engagement, where you could connect with other gamers, join clans, or participate in events? Picture a waiting room that's part interactive playground, part social hub, and part game preview station. A place where you could level up your skills, test your reflexes, or even participate in live events, all while waiting for your friends to join or the game to load. This is what I call the ultimate waiting room experience, and it's an idea that could revolutionize the way we think about waiting in gaming. One innovative feature that could take waiting rooms to the next level is the idea of a game incubator. Imagine a virtual environment where you could prototype and test your own game ideas, getting instant feedback from other players and developers. It's an idea that could democratize game development, empower creators, and unlock a whole new level of innovation in the gaming industry. This game incubator concept could be a game changer for Apple Arcade, providing a unique selling point that sets it apart from other gaming platforms. It's an idea that could redefine the waiting room experience, turning it into a hub of creativity, innovation, and community engagement. And that's exactly what I believe Apple Arcade needs to stay ahead of the curve. By rethinking the waiting room experience, Apple Arcade could unlock a whole new level of engagement, excitement, and community building. It's an opportunity to turn a necessary evil into a highlight of the gaming experience, and I truly believe it could be a game changer for the platform. So, what do you think? What's your dream waiting room feature? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more gaming insights, analysis, and innovative ideas.